Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful piece of vintage Chanel to show you today. So this is Chanel Paris limited edition double flap. So it's got all the features of that classic double flap, but with a little bit of a twist. So we've got that lovely two-toned mixed hardware. So we've got the gold toned hardware and the silver as well. And I really like the shape of it as well. It's a little bit different to that classic double flap. So we've got those classic Chanel leather and chain plaited straps, so we can have it as a double strap like that, or it just pulls through to have as a nice long strap too. And then on the back we've got one flat pocket here, and I just love on Chanel how those quilting on the leather just lines up so perfectly. It's really beautiful. And then on the front we've got that CC turn lock closure on that flap closure, so I'll open that up and show you inside. So we've got one flap, and then we've got a second flap with a press-stud fasten, and straight away you can see that gorgeous CC stitched logo on that burgundy leather. And then underneath the second flap we've got one flap pocket on the front, and then inside we've got another two flap pockets. So we've got one here, and then you can see in the center we've got that little slim kind of lipstick pocket there, and then we've got one zipped pocket behind those. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior good. It is in a really nice vintage condition. You can see the corners are showing a little bit of wear, but not a lot. You can see they're rubbing just a little bit, and then on the base we've got a bit of a mark just here. So there is just a little bit of wear to those corners, and you can see there's areas where the leather's just a little bit creased, so you can see just here, and from where the flap closure's been opened and closed, there's a little bit of creasing there, but overall that exterior is in a really nice condition. We've called the hardware the same, so the hardware condition is good. I'll just show you that CC turn lock closure up close. You can see how beautiful and shiny that is. There's just kind of hairline scratching on that closure, and then again just got a little bit of scratching on the hardware on the interior, and just these loops where the straps are, they are probably showing the most wear. So you can see there's a few dark marks on those, and so that is the main reason why we've called it good, but again in a very nice condition. The interior again is beautiful, in a beautiful vintage condition. The reason we've called it fair is mostly for this second flap. You can see there's quite a lot of creasing, and on these sides here quite a bit of creasing on that leather, but this flap closure here, all that black leather is really smooth and lovely, and really minimal marking as well. So that is why we've called the interior fair. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Chanel authenticity card, and that date code begins with 2. So this is a 1991 to 1994 Chanel, and then we've got the little camellia flower as well as the Chanel box, and that's got that tissue paper in there as well to keep it protected. And then we also have Chanel paper bag too. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this limited edition double flap, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. You'll find a few more details for it. But if you get to that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag, it just takes you to our generic product page. I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list you can get onto. So if vintage Chanel really is your thing, get onto that request list, just get in contact with us, let us know how much you love this. We'll pop you on that list, and then as soon as we get in something else like it, you'll be one of the first to know. You can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'll start off with that long strap like that. And that just means you can pop it really nicely as a crossbody there. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and with that long strap this sits perfectly on me as a crossbody. This is kind of like the perfect height for me, sitting just here on my waist, and it's really beautiful. I love the little almost square shape, rather than a bit longer shape of the classic double flap. I think it's really nice. You can also have it with those double straps and pop it on your shoulder as well, which looks equally as gorgeous. So if you are interested, go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page while you're on our website too if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what we've got for us, so have a read through that process. And also have a look, also like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button. We've got more beautiful bags to show you every day, so if you hit that alert button you won't miss out on anything that we've got to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.